Hello everyone, welcome to all. In the previous lecture, we have introduced multinomial probability distribution, that is our second chapter, and find out PMF, that is probability mass function of multinomial probability distribution. In today's lecture, we will derive MGF of multinomial probability distribution. And using MGF, we will find out raw and central moments of multinomial probability distribution. And also discuss relationship between multinomial probability distribution and binomial distribution. First, we will see MGF, that is moment generating function of multinomial distribution. Let x1, x2, xk follows multinomial distribution with parameter n, p1, p2, pk. Then MGF is given by. We know that symbolically we can write vector x, that is x1, x2, xk follows multinomial distribution with parameter n, p1, p2, pk. We have to find MGF of multinomial distribution. So MGF is what? mxt. But here x is not a single variable, it is a k dimensional variable. So MGF is given by m x1, x2 dash dash xk of t1, t2 dash dash tk is equal to what? Expectation of e raised to tx. So expectation of e raised to t1 x1 plus t2 x2 plus dash dash tk xk. So expectation of e raised to t1 x1 plus t2 x2 plus tk xk is equal to summation, because multinomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution. So we can write summation over x1 into summation over x2 dash 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 summation up to what? K minus 1 into e raised to t1 x1 plus t2 x2 plus dash dash tk xk into what? Probability of x1 x2 dash dash xk. Because we know that if x is a discrete random variable, then MGF is expectation of e raised to tx, and expectation of e raised to tx is what? Summation e raised to tx into probability of x is equal to x. So using that same definition, we have right here expectation of e raised to t1 x1 plus t2 x2 dash dash tk xk. So we will solve this equation. Summation over x1 into summation over x2 up to dash dash summation over k minus 1 into e raised to t1 x1 into e raised to t2 x2 dash dash into e raised to tk xk. We split out this term into probability of x1 x2 dash dash xk, that is PMF of multinomial distribution. So what is it? It is n factorial. It is n factorial divided by x1 factorial into x2 factorial up to dash dash xk factorial into p1 raised to x1, p2 raised to x2 up to dash dash pk raised to xk. So summation over x1 into summation over x2 up to dash dash summation over k minus 1 is as it is n factorial divided by x1 factorial into x2 factorial dash dash xk factorial into e raised to t1 x1 into p1 raised to x1. So power is same, we can write e raised to t1 into p raised to x1. Similarly, into e raised to t2 into p2 raised to x2 up to dash dash e raised to tk into pk raised to xk. So this is multinomial theorem for k variables. And we can write it as p1 e raised to t1 plus p2 e raised to t2 up to dash dash pk e raised to pk raised to n. We can write this term because of multinomial theorem. We know that multinomial theorem for k variable is a1 plus a2 plus dash dash ak raised to n is equal to what? Summation over x1 summation over x2 up to summation over k minus 1 into this term. So we can write this term because of multinomial theorem. So MGF of multinomial distribution with parameter n, p1, p2, pk is p1 e raised to t1, p2 e raised to t2 up to dash dash pk e raised to tk raised to n. So this is the MGF of multinomial probability distribution. And using MGF, we can find raw and central movements of multinomial probability distribution. Let us find mean and variance of multinomial distribution with parameter n, p1, p2, pk using the concept of MGF. So mean of vector x, because we know that multinomial distribution is k-dimensional variable distribution. So mean of vector x is equal to mean of x1, x2, xk, which is denoted by expectation of xi and is equal to partial derivative with respect to ti of mxt. Recently we have find out MGF of multinomial distribution, and using MGF we will find out raw and central movements of multinomial distribution. So mean of a multinomial distribution is find out using the concept of MGF. So we know that expectation of xi is equal to partial derivative with respect to ti of mxt, that is mxt1, t2, tk at point t1 is equal to 0, t2 is equal to 0 and tk is equal to 0. So partial derivative of mxt is what? Dabba upon dabba ti. What is the MGF of multinomial probability distribution, which is p1 e raised to t1 plus p2 e raised to t2 plus dash dash pk e raised to tk raised to n. So derivative of this term is n into p1 e raised to t1 plus p2 e raised to t2 plus dash dash pi e raised to ti, because we want to find out derivative with respect to ti. So here we have to include one term which is pi e raised to ti plus dash dash pk e raised to tk raised to n minus 1, because we know that derivative of x square is what? 2x. So using that same relation we have to find out derivative of this term into coefficient of pi. What is the coefficient of pi? That is pi e raised to ti. This derivative is at point t1 is equal to 0, t2 is equal to 0 and tk is equal to 0. So put t1, t2, tk is equal to 0. We get n into e raised to 0, e raised to 0, e raised to 0, e raised to 0 is 1. So we get n into p1 plus p2 plus dash dash pk raised to n minus 1. Here also e raised to ti, that is e raised to 0, is equal to 1. So we get into pi only. So again we know that summation of pi in multinomial distribution is 1. So summation I is running from 1 to k is equal to 1. So p1 plus p2 plus pk is equal to 1, and 1 raised to n minus 1 is again 1, because 1 raised to anything is 1. So we get n into 1 into pi. So we get finally n into pi. So expectation of xi, that is mean of multinomial distribution, is n into pi for I is running from 1 to k. It means if we put I is equal to 1, then we get expectation of x1 is equal to np1. If we put I is equal to 2, we get expectation of x2 is equal to np2. If we put I is equal to 3, we get expectation of x3 is equal to np3. Means we get individual mean of x1, x2, xk using this equation. Let us see how to find variance of multinomial distribution. We know that variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole bracket square. So similarly, variance of xi is equal to expectation of xi square minus expectation of xi whole bracket square. So first we will find expectation of xi square, because we have already find expectation of xi, which is npi. So expectation of xi square means second raw moment, and second raw moment is denoted by what? Mu dash 2. So mu dash 2 is equal to expectation of xi square is equal to what? Dabba 2 upon dabba ti square of mxt, that is double derivative of mxt at point what? t1, t2, tk is equal to 0. So dabba 2 upon dabba ti square of mxt is written as dabba upon dabba ti into dabba upon dabba ti of mxt. We have already taken this derivative in solving expectation of xi. So we get dabba upon dabba ti of mxt is equal to what? p1 e raised to t1 plus p2 e raised to t2 plus dash dash pi e raised to ti plus pk e raised to tk raised to n minus 1 into n pi e raised to ti. So this is derivative of dabba upon dabba ti of mxt. Again we have to take derivative of this term, but here this term with respect to ti we get two terms, that is here we get u into v. We have to apply the rule of u into v. So what is this rule? U constant take derivative of v plus v constant take derivative of u. So same rule we have used here. So first derivative and second term is constant. So first derivative what? N minus 1 into n p1 e raised to t1 plus p2 e raised to t2 plus dash dash pi e raised to ti plus dash dash pk e raised to tk raised to n minus 2 into coefficient of pi e raised to ti and this pi of pi into e raised to ti as it is, plus now this term is constant and derivative of this term. So plus n, this term is constant, so plus n p1 e raised to t1 plus p2 e raised to t2 up to dash dash pi e raised to ti pk e raised to tk raised to n minus 1 as it is into derivative of pi e raised to ti, which is pi e raised to ti. Put t1, t2, tk is equal to 0. We get, because we have to take derivative at point t1, t2, tk is equal to 0. So after putting t1, t2, tk is equal to 0, we get n into n minus 1. This is e raised to 0, e raised to 0, this becomes 1. So we get n into n minus 1, p1 plus p2 dash dash pk raised to n minus 2 into e raised to 0 1, e raised to 0 1. So pi into pi is pi square plus n, again p1 plus p2 plus pk raised to n minus 1 into what? Pi, because e raised to 0 is 1. So finally we get n into n minus 1. Again we know that summation of pi I is running from 1 to k is 1. So it becomes 1 raised to n minus 2 into pi square plus n into, again summation of pi I is running from 1 to k is 1. So it becomes 1 raised to n minus 1 into pi. By using summation of pi is equal to 1. So finally we get n into n minus 1 into 1. So n into n minus 1 into pi square plus n pi. So second raw movement, that is expectation of xi square, that is mu dash 2 is equal to what? N into n minus 1 pi square plus n pi. Now we can find variance of xi by putting the values of expectation of xi square and expectation of xi whole bracket square. So we get variance of xi is equal to expectation of xi square minus expectation of xi whole bracket square. So mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square. So n into n minus 1 pi square, because mu dash 2 is what? N into n minus 1 pi square plus n pi minus mu dash 1, that is expectation of xi is what? N pi whole bracket square. So n into n minus 1 pi square plus n pi minus n square pi square. N pi is common throughout the term, so we can take it out. N pi in bracket n minus 1 into pi plus 1 minus n pi. So n pi, solve this, that is n pi minus pi plus 1 minus n pi. So n pi get cancelled. We get n pi into what? 1 minus pi. And we know that p plus q is equal to 1, that is pi plus qi is also 1. So 1 minus pi is equal to what? Qi. So finally we get variance of xi of multinomial distribution is npi qi for I is running from 1 to k. That is, if we put I is equal to 1, we get variance of x1, which is np1 q1. If we put I is equal to 2, we get variance of x2, that is np2 q2, and so on. So we can find individual variance of x1, x2, xk by using this equation. We have seen that mean and variance of multinomial distributions are similar like mean and variance of binomial distribution. that is mean of multinomial distribution, that is expectation of xi, which is npi, which is similar to mean of binomial distribution, which is np. Similarly, variance of multinomial distribution, that is npiqi, is similar to variance of binomial distribution npq. So our keen interest is to find the marginal distribution of x1, x2, xk of multinomial distribution. So our result is, if vector x, that is x1, x2, xk, follows multinomial distribution with parameter n, p1, p2, pk, then marginal distribution of xi, that is individual distribution of x1, x2, xk, follows binomial distribution with parameter what? N, pi, that is p1, p2, pk for i's running from 1 to k. Let us see proof of this. Let MGF of multinomial distribution is what? With parameter n, p1, p2, pk is mx of t, which is p1 e raised to t1 plus p2 e raised to t2 plus dash dash pk e raised to tk raised to n. And we want to find marginal distribution of xi, which can be obtained by putting all tj is equal to 0 except ti. If we put all tj is equal to 0 except ti, then we get marginal distribution of ti only. So let us see how to compute it. So mx of t is equal to what? p1 e raised to t1 plus p2 e raised to t2 plus dash dash pi e raised to ti plus dash dash pk e raised to tk raised to n. Put all tj is equal to 0 except ti. We get all tj are 0 means e raised to t1 is 0, e raised to t2 is 0, e raised to ti, we can't put ti is equal to 0, but e raised to tk is 0. So we get p1 plus p2 plus dash dash pi e raised to ti plus pk raised to n, because e raised to t1, that is e raised to 0 is 1. So we get p1 plus p2 plus dash dash pi e raised to ti plus dash dash pk raised to n. So we get p1 plus p2 plus dash dash pi minus 1 plus pi plus 1 dash dash pk plus what? pi e raised to ti raised to n. We know that p plus q is equal to 1. So q is equal to what? 1 minus p. So qi is equal to what? 1 minus p1 minus p2 up to dash dash pi minus 1 pi plus 1 up to pk. So we get this term is equal to what? qi. So this equation become qi plus pi e raised to ti. So this is known MGF of binomial distribution with parameter n and pi. So marginal distribution of multinomial distribution follows binomial distribution. So marginal distribution of xi follows binomial with parameter n pi.